Let's walk through how to manually add a new client in Fons. In setup mode, you have three easy ways to create a new student. You can click the setup mode dashboard and the green plus new button there, the green plus new button, or the clients tab. No matter where you begin, you will be taken to the add clients page. From here, enter your student's first and last name. Next, choose the student type. If the student is an adult, enter their email address, phone number, and time zone. If the student is a child, you'll choose one of two options. Existing allows you to use the drop-down menu to select a parent or guardian who's already in your client list. And new will prompt you to enter the parent or guardian's name and email address. Next, you'll see the option to add a credit card. This should be the card information for the responsible paying party, either the adult student or the parent of a child. Card information is shared by every member of the family. If you don't have the client's card information, simply click Skip. Fonz will send the client an email invitation to enter their preferred payment method. Keep in mind, until a card is added, payments will not process successfully. If you do have the card information, enter it now and click Next. All payment information is securely stored in Stripe, our embedded payment processor. Next, you'll have the option to define a student's typical appointment and enable one-click booking. One-click booking gives your current clients an easy way to book their typical appointment directly from their Fons portal. You define what typical means by setting the parameters for the student's lessons. To enable one-click booking, set the student's lesson duration on this screen. You can select one of the preset durations or enter a custom one. If you do not want clients to use one-click booking, simply set the lesson duration to 0 minutes to disable it. Optionally, you can use the drop-down to define a typical teacher, which will limit the teacher a student can book with. And you can define a typical location, which restricts booking to times when your availability matches this location. On the next screen, we will define the student's typical billing model. On this screen, select from 3 billing models to define how your student should be billed when they are scheduled for lessons. Your studio can use the same billing model for all students or mix and match to fit your needs. To dive deeper into each model, check out our optional Fons Academy course on billing and scheduling. Setting up billing for each model is slightly different. We will start with our prepaid billing models. To set up a subscription for a client, fill in your rate, select the interval, and set the bill date. The bill date is the date you want the subscription to run based on the interval you set. Setting up billing for each model is slightly different. We will start with our prepaid billing model of subscriptions. To set up a subscription for a client, fill in your rate, select the interval, and set the bill date. This is the date you want the subscription to run based on the interval you set. Add a one-time charge before the regular bill date. Check the box. Then enter the amount and date you want to charge. Preview the payment details in the orange dialog box at the bottom of the screen. Next up, package billing. Use the drop-down to select a package or create a new one. Add a quick note if needed. This note will be visible to clients. Pro tip, turn on automatically repurchase. When the balance hits 0, the system instantly bills the payment method on file and sends a receipt, keeping your client stocked with lesson credits without interruptions. If your client still has credits from a previous package, choose with starting balance and enter how many credits they have remaining. The system will not bill or send a payment request until that balance reaches zero. That's package billing, prepaid and ready to go. Now, let's look at hourly billing, where clients are billed after each lesson. To set up hourly billing, start by entering your hourly rate, and the blue dialog box will automatically calculate what that rate looks like for clients' standard lesson length based on the typical appointment duration you've already set. Once you're finished setting the client's billing model, you'll be taken to their client overview page. From here, you can add a label, create a family member, or schedule their next appointment. Click to go back to the setup mode dashboard when you're ready.